Oh, there's the whale. He just came back up again. There he is again. He's like, it's all safe, so now I'll come back up. That is so cool. Did you see his spout? There he is. We just came from over there at the Red Rock. Just watching the landscape change from the red back to the white. With all 3 sails up, probably have about, I would say, under 10 knots of wind. Cruising along about 3.9 knots and just enjoying the morning. Take a look at the sails. And just a few moments later,
Powerboat, auxiliary sails.
Stopping just shy of Loreto, we arrive at Puerto Escondido Marina, which will be our home base for a few weeks. We pick up a mooring ball away from the hustle and bustle of the slips. The grounds of the marina are beautiful and clean with plenty of room to stretch our legs. Many beautiful boats are stored, moored, and berthed here. We enjoy walking up and down the docks looking at each one of them. Come along with us as we enjoy nature around us. We will show you the fascinating jumping mobula rays and take a drive into Loreto, and then take the winding mountain roads up to San Javier, where we will visit the San Javier mission.
One of the coolest things ever just happened. This whole school of mobula rays just swam by the boat. I was just sitting here drinking some water, and I hear this belly flopping, this belly flopping sound. I look out the starboard side, and there's this whole school of rays, mobula rays, swimming by, real slow, circling like they're chasing food or something. And of course, they're jumping out of the water. Man, I love these things. They're the coolest creatures ever. They're way neat to see. That just made my entire day. Like, my entire day is happy now. The Sea Cortez is amazing. I'm hoping they jump out of the water one more time. Oh man, I missed them. Shoot. There went one. I love these guys. They're so happy.
Starting in 1697, Jesuit missionaries began attempting to find a suitable site for their self-sustaining mission. Although several sites were tried, water was scarce and agricultural became impossible. With help from the Cochini Indians, a site was found high in the mountains above Loreto. A spring was found a few kilometers away, and in 1710 the mission was moved. They constructed dams, aqueducts, and stone buildings. Many date palms, grapes, citrus, and ancient olive trees grow on the grounds. Between 1744 and 1758, the stone church building was constructed and is known as the jewel of the Baja California mission churches. The Jesuits drew the hunter-gatherer Cochinis in with food and tried to make them sedentary farmers and herders. However, the concentration of the people in such a small space spread disease, and by 1808 the number of Cochinis dropped down to 83, and by the 19th century they became extinct as a culture and identifiable people. Go out back and walk through the farm area. It's a quiet oasis in a very rugged environment. There are approximately 200 people who live in San Javier today, growing plants and herding livestock. There are a handful of little shops and restaurants waiting for you to try. I'm ready. How about you? We're free? I gotta pay attention.
Well, we had a really nice stay in Puerto Escondido. Spent a couple weeks there hanging out. Got a few boat projects done, and now we are on our way to the east side of Isla Carma. We're gonna try to spend maybe a week and do a lap around the island before we're headed further north. There's absolutely no wind, so we are motoring. What are you doing, babe?
Investigating. Whale watching. Like a super potted dolphin up here, but I think there's a whale in the middle of it. Oh, there he is.
So we were motoring over to our anchorage and we seen this breaking water out here. Figured it was a pod of dolphins or something, and all of a sudden we seen whale spouts coming out of it. So we made a right-hand turn. We're headed towards them a little bit. We'd like to do a little closer look at the dolphins because they're dolphins and they're awesome. And there's something else going on. I don't know if they're feeding or if there's a whale, because we keep seeing spout. There's definitely a whale out here. We're gonna get as close as we dare. We don't want to harass them, but we would like to get a little bit closer look at them.
Yeah, so cool. Just when you think there aren't any more dolphins, there's more. Hundreds of them. The whale never came back up though, so we missed him. It never gets old. There's always those playful ones in the bunch that have to be messing around. Chaos is happening. Yep, that's the exhaust. The leak we thought we fixed permanently just sprung another leak. Just chasing it. I don't even think he can say anything right now. Ooh, that's the look, guys. That's the look. I don't know. Maybe this will lead us to a whole new exhaust system. That's a sign when he's not talking. I'm sorry, baby.
Not happy right now.
I'm sorry.
And my ice maker's out of ice. It's out of water, so I can't even have ice. Oh. Well, it's definitely not all rainbows and unicorns pooping out Skittles. Okay?
Okay.
Like,
Well,
it's not bad, but this really, really sucks and frustrates me.
It's not just leaking, is it?
No. No, it's completely broken off. We thought we had this fixed in the pause, but now another part of the exhaust system broke,
Yeah,
so...
yeah. We have to go back to Escondido.
So we're going back to Escondido. And going to figure out how to fix this.
The marble showers. And
oh,
laundry.
the facilities are nice.
Hopefully, though, that Loreto has what we need to fix it. Again. Boat. B-O-A-T. bring on another 1,000. Hopefully not that much, but buy a boat, he says.
It'll be fun, he says.
It'll be fun, he says. Ooh, he mad. He's so mad. With the exhaust now broken half, we make our way back to Puerto Escondido Marina. Stay tuned next time to see if we can get it fixed. If you got this far, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss a beat.